Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good luck to all of us wherever you are. First, excuse me to express my deepest gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who have given me health today. And second, let me express my gratitude to my supervisor. The first supervisor is Mr. Acep Haryudin, MPD, and the second supervisor is Miss Sylvia Rahayu, SPD MHUM, who helped me to finish my research paper. And please let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Febri Ramdhani. My student's number is 162205558. And in this opportunity, I will explain and describe to you all about my research paper titled The Development of Materials of Using a Movie Through Peer Work Discussion in Teaching Writing a Narrative Text. And for the presentation's contents of this research is first, background of the research, the second is objectives of the research, the third is research methodology, the fourth is results and discussions, and fifth is conclusion and suggestions. First, let me explain to you about the background of the research. As we all know, writing is one of the skills in learning English. Mastering writing skill can be useful basic for the students because sometimes students still lack in writing than the other skills. This could be because the lack of the motivation, or from the students' vocabulary. And the development of technology can help the teacher designing their learning process. The use of instructional media that suit the needs of students can change their behavior in classroom activities. The students' proficiency too are still lacking. It is generally can be seen that a lot of students during the writing tasks sometimes cannot finish their tasks because maybe of the vocabulary or having no more idea. And writing is about how you can transfer your understanding by what you see or what you have been understand by write it until the readers might know what you are thinking about how you feeling. Therefore, we should renew the learning tools by using learning methods that are fun and interesting to the students. Then the researcher conducted the research titled The Development Materials of Using a Movie Through Pair Work Discussion in Teaching Writing a Narrative Text. Next, I will explain to you about the objective of the research. First, the objective of this research is to describe teaching material that have been used in grade 8 junior high school on writing a narrative text using a movie through pair work discussion. Second is to describe the design of developing teaching materials writing a narrative text using a movie through pair work discussions. And the third is to describe the feasibility of teaching materials writing a narrative text through pair work discussion. Next is research methodology. First is research method. In this research, the researcher is using a descriptive qualitative method. Descriptive qualitative research have been very common procedure for conducting research in many disciplines, including education, psychology, and social science. The purpose of this research is to show the effort the teachers do in order to fix the quality of learning process. Research technique. The research technique used in this research is literature study. That is researching and understanding books, documents, or any other written source that is relevant and supporting this study. Next is the type of research. The type of research that is used in this study is library study. Library research study, making a library data as a theory to be studied in order to obtain hypotheses or conceptions to obtain objective results. Thus, in this preparation of this research, the researchers determine the topic which will be discussed which then proceed with finding a relevant data or supportive to the topics discussed. The research instrument that is used in this research is online interview guide, the literature analysis form, and the eligibility assessment for the development of teaching material. Next is the data analysis method. The data analysis method that is used in this research are data reductions, display data, and withdrawal of conclusion. In the data reduction, the researchers reducing and summarizing research results by focusing on things that are considered important. Next, after reducing the data, the researcher is displaying the data. By displaying the data, it will be easier for researcher to understand the results of the research. After that, the research then withdraw a conclusion. After getting the results of the analysis, the final step is drawing conclusions. The data analysis method that researchers use is content analysis. Thus, researchers in this method analyze existing studies in the literature about concepts that are relevant with the title of the research conducted. And then next, we move to the results and discussions. In these sections, there are some points that will introduced by the researchers. First is the profile of implementation of teaching materials that been used in school. The teaching materials that has been implemented by the teachers are books from the government. The first book is titled English in Focus by Artono Wardiman, Masduki B. Jahur, and M. Sukirman Jusma that were published by BSE or Buku Sekolah Elektronik. The second book is titled When English Rings a Bell by Siti Wahidah, Asep Gunawan, and Dian Tari that were also published by BSE. Each book covers 1 year of academic calendar of 2 semesters. And the second one is the literature study, the descriptions of the 2 research papers. Because the researcher used literature study, so the researchers use 2 research papers that are relevant enough to this research. The first paper is about the researcher conducting a development of teaching material using application named Powtoon in order to teach narrative text. And the second research paper is about the researcher conducting a classroom action research to improve students' ability in writing narrative text story using a digital story. Next is the development plan. Both of the research were using digital media for the development of the teaching materials. And using the 2 research above, the researcher can pull a conclusion of the advantages and disadvantages, which are first, the advantages of the first research. 1. Using an application that same as audiovisual that can create interesting learning process. 2. The product development is valid based on expert validation, so the product is effective to be taught in the classroom. 3. The research is related to the researcher's research, so it could improve the researcher development plan. Next is the disadvantages of first research. The disadvantages of the first research is the content still has some shortages, especially in video content. Next is the advantages of the second research. Using digital story that can improve students' interest in learning process is the first. The advantages of the second research. The second advantages of the second research is using classroom action research, so that the students' improvement can be seen every cycle. Next is the research is using same variable as the researchers, so it can help to improve the researcher's development plan. And the disadvantages of second research is using classroom action research can take much time because it depends of the result every cycle, and if the result is not improving, the researcher must repeat the cycle until the result reach the researcher's target or KKM. Next, for the eligibility results. The development plan was validated by expert and then it was revised by one English teacher at one of junior high school in Padalarang, which was conducted at 24th December 2020. There were three main components that would be evaluated by the expert validation. They were feasibility aspect of content, the service feasibility aspect, and language feasibility aspect. And as you can see at the table beside, the result of expert validation showed that the development plan is yet to be valid. The development plan is good, but it can be better. So the experts suggest that the development plan is to be revised by the researchers. The revisions are as follows. First is the adjustment with KI and KD. Adjustment of KI and KD is needed in order to simplify the material and so that the material can follow the 2013 curriculum rules. Second is the addition of presentation content. The content of presentation is good enough, but it will be better if the researchers add some more slides on the presentation. The presentation materials that are being taught are packed in one slide. Division in material will make teaching and learning process easier for teachers and the students. Next is the addition of materials. In order to avoid confusion on students because the likeness of the materials, the experts suggest the researchers add the material, like adding some more theory or example in the explanation slide. 4 is the change or addition of the activity. The researcher should add or change the activity from quiz to something else in order to streamline the learning process. The researchers can add some activities in between the presentation or anything else. And the last is conclusions and suggestions. First is conclusions. Based on the research problem, research objective, and also findings in the previous chapter, it can be concluded. First, the teachers using two books that have been provided by the government which have a different curriculum. It was used by the teachers in order to have a varieties of teaching materials and made a task and assignments from it. Second, the development plan that the researchers made was using an animated video in order to teach students how to write a narrative text. Animated video was chosen after the two studies that has a relevant method with the researchers' research. The development plan is still far from perfect, but after being revised by supervisors, the development plan could have a better result. Third is the feasibility of the development of the materials are valid enough to be applied at small-scale tests. However, further revision of the development plan is needed in order to improve the feasibility of the development plan to be practiced at a large-scale tests. And for the suggestions are given to the teacher and to the future researchers. First is for the teacher. The teacher should find another source of materials for the teaching and learning process. So the teachers have more varieties of teaching materials sources. And the teacher should start and continuously use media in teaching and learning process that can help the teachers in delivering the material. It can help the students in motivating, comprehending, and memorizing the material. Second, for the future researcher. Since the study was literature study and used qualitative descriptive, it was advisable that the future researcher follow up the study by conducting research on teaching a narrative text with different framework, design, and paradigm. So, more comprehensive data could enrich knowledge in teaching, learning, and writing. And that's all I can say. Sorry if there is a mistake in the delivery. And if you have any comment about my video or about my presentation, Please put in the comment sections. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.